75 Corvette, now doing the lower control arm bushings. Got a deep wall 13/16 socket. Put it in there. Once it goes vertical, my dad is my wonderful helper and teacher. He'll hold this in there. Once you start applying pressure with the C-clamp to drive it in, you can feel this sucker when it starts tightening up. Once it starts tightening up, you need to be aware that you may be collapsing these. You do not want to collapse these together. So even though this really doesn't brace it per se, this will give you a feel to make sure that you're not going too tight on it. With the lowers, which bar on which side doesn't matter. With the uppers, got one side with 2, one side with 1. 2 goes to the sway link as the front. 2 is the front. Don't put it in backwards. You have to rip it all apart again. Other than that, it's just squeezing and pleasing.